Welcome to Glion Museum, a unique space that transcends time. Today we will take you on a tour of this historic landmark located in the heart of Osaka's harbor. The Glion Museum is a unique museum located in Osaka that showcases the history of transportation. The museum houses an impressive collection of vintage cars, motorcycles, and bicycles, which dates back to the early 1900s. In this video, we'll take a look at the museum's background and characteristics. We'll give you some tourist information and tell you how to get there. So let's get started. Glion Museum was opened to the public in June 2015, after soliciting the support of companies to assist in the seismic reinforcement and preservation of this historic building in Osaka. The red brick warehouse in Osaka's harbor was built in 1923 and designed by Yutaka Hidaka, who was also responsible for the Nakanoshima Library and Sumitomo Building. Over the years, it has been used for various purposes, including as a customs house, an office for the Port Authority, and a warehouse. Today, the building stands tall as a cultural heritage site representing the history and culture of Osaka. Now, let's take a closer look at this architectural marvel. The red brick warehouse has been meticulously remodeled, maintaining not only the bricks on the outside, but also the interior. This allows visitors to immerse themselves in over 100 years of history. Just imagine walking the same floors as those who came before us, touching the same bricks, and experiencing the nostalgia that lingers in the air. Speaking of history, let me tell you about the incredible collection housed within these walls. The Glion Museum boasts a captivating assortment of over 120 classic cars on display. From sleek and stylish models of the early 20th century to powerful machines that defined an era, this museum has it all. It's a haven for automobile enthusiasts and history buffs alike. The museum's collection includes classic cars from all over the world, such as the Jaguar E-Type, the Mercedes-Benz 300SL, and the Ferrari Dino. The museum also has a unique collection of Japanese classic cars, including the Toyota 2000 GAT and the Nissan Skyline GR. These vehicles are not only rare, but also very well preserved, which makes the museum a must-visit for anyone who is interested in the history of transportation. The Glion Museum is spread across 2 floors and features 3 main sections. The first section showcases vintage cars, the second section showcases vintage motorcycles, and the third section showcases vintage bicycles. Each section is carefully curated and provides visitors with a unique experience that takes them back in time. Now that you're itching to visit, let me give you some handy tourist information. The Glion Museum is conveniently located in Osaka's harbor area, making it easily accessible to both locals and tourists. Whether you're a car aficionado or simply appreciate the beauty of a bygone era, this museum is a must-visit destination. The Glion Museum is open from 10 to 5 p.m., and the entrance fee for adults is 1,200 yen, and children under 12 can enter for free. The museum is closed on Monday and on some holidays, so it's best to check their website before visiting. If you possess an Osaka Amazing Pass, the Glion Museum can be accessed free of charge. To learn more about saving money on an Osaka trip with the Osaka Amazing Pass, check out my previous video on the end screen. Getting to the Glion Museum is easy. The museum is located in the Minato ward of Osaka. You can take the Chuo line of Osaka Metro and get off at Osakago Station, which is station number 7. From there, it's just a short 5-minute walk to the Glion Museum. There are also other tourist attractions nearby that you can explore. One such attraction is the Tempozan Giant Ferris Wheel, which is just a 12-minute walk away from the Glion Museum. The Ferris Wheel offers stunning views of the Osaka Bay and is a must-visit attraction if you're in the area. Another attraction nearby is the Legoland Discovery Center, Osaka. This is a perfect place to visit if you have children, as there are a lot of interactive activities and LEGO exhibits to explore. If you're looking for a unique way to see the area, you can also take a cruise ship Santa Maria at Ferry Terminal or Captain Line at Kaikon West Pier. This will give you a different perspective of the city and is definitely worth trying out. Now, the best part is that all of these attractions are free of charge if you travel with the Osaka Amazing Pass. This informative transportation map is embedded in my travel plan under the Glion Museum transportation tile in the itinerary section. It comes in handy for planning your trip or for use on the day of your travel. This comprehensive travel plan will be shared for free in the final video of my Japan trip. Finally, before you leave the museum, make sure to stop by the souvenir shop where you can find a variety of transportation-related souvenirs such as keychains, t-shirts, and postcards. That's all for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into the Glion Museum. To gain insights on how to access these locations without incurring any costs, I encourage you to view my earlier video on the Osaka Amazing Pass. The video offers detailed guidance on optimizing your savings using the pass, along with essential travel advice. Thank you for watching. See you at the next captivating destination in Osaka.